Hey, how's it going? Today, we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Spider-Man and Skibidi Toilet as one character. So, let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today, we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man mixed with Skibidi Toilet. So, it's going to be super simple. Let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve right here for the top of Spider-Man's head. I'm going to pull a line downward like so. Side of Spider-Man's head over here. And then the other side. It's going to be gradually tapering down just a bit, right? Line down here, kind of aiming at the edge of the chin there. Line down here, and curve underneath. All right, gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna curve up over here, curve up, curve underneath, and curve underneath. Right on. So now you got Spider-Man's eyes right there. Very simple, very gestural. So over here now we're gonna draw a little circle at the center of his eyes. And then we're going to kind of do the same thing over here. A little bit of a circle here. Curve, kind of octagon it out on this side. Octagon it out here on this side as well. Kind of still a circular pattern though. You want to keep that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from here and I'm going to draw a line out. Out. You know, very similar to like sunshine. Just imagine it's going behind there. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Kind of continue on. You want to keep the line a little bit light. You don't want to overdo it. Line over here. That one will just be there, and let's go over here on this side. Whew, sorry, the marker smells. Definitely open the actual window, by the way, guys. Open the window or do this next to a ventilated area like a fan. All right, let's go over here at line down for the neck of Spider-Man here. And now we're going to get into the toilet part, right? So we're going to do over here. Line across there, or the Skibidi Toilet part of this. Line over here, line over here. Curve around the back, down, curve underneath, up. And then we're going to pull back over here. Kind of forming kind of that toilet bowl, right? Kind of facing us. It's not. Oh, one last thing about Spider-Man. Let's go back into him. We want to draw a dark line around the eyes of Spider-Man. Right there. Darker. You want to keep it darker. Kind of creates focus on the drawing, and that's just the way he is. Like a thicker line around the eyes. Those teardrop shaped eyes. I want you to, don't forget, hit the like button if you like this, if you like the mixture, if you like the way I'm teaching anything. Definitely hit the like, sends the videos out a little bit further, you know, if you can, of course. Line up here, line over here, down, down. Just a pattern on the neck there. Curve line underneath, just a bit. Curve for the bowl. Curve around here for the bowl. Line out, downward, downward, line across. Gonna go over here now, curve up. Curve up over here for the actual kind of lid, right? And we're going to curve over right now. Curve over here. Let's go over here and draw like a circle. That's kind of like that, you know, it's on the lid, below the lid there. Circle right here for the Skibidi Toilet part. Circle over here. Circle over here. If you want, you can draw, I don't know, there's only 4, right? But you can draw another one here if you'd like. And if you want, you can even draw in here. If you want. Now let's draw the tank in the back there. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line across here. So from here to here. Keep going, kind of in the back over here, line across. Don't forget, there's a lot of free resources. Go into the stuff in the description. There's you can go to the official website, sketchmonsterart.com, or you can actually go to check out the free ebook on how to draw something cute. I know that not everyone here is into that stuff, but if you like learning how to draw something cute, definitely check it out. It is a link in the description that makes things easy. Basically, it's a little ebook, and you can, it's like 10 pages, it's all pictures. It tells you how to, you know, make a large head to a small body, but how large and how small, right? It's all proportion based, and it's completely free. It's going to be a guide that you will use 100 times over. It is perfect, I think. If you want to add anything to it, let me know, but go get that free guide by going into the description, downloading it right now. It's free, and it's only going to be free for a little bit longer because I want to start charging for it soon. All right, we're going to over here, curve up. Go over here on this side, curve up, line across over here, down, down. Okay. Let's go over here on this side. We're going to curve up just a bit. Go over here on this side, curve up just a bit. Line across. And line across over here. Just going to connect it down. So let's add a couple of finishing touches. We're almost done. We're like right here. We're pretty much right here at the end. So I'm going to go over here. I want to draw the toilet switch thing. Curve down something like that. And maybe a thin line over here showing the change in plane on this side. Curve over here. Curve over here. Right on. Line over here on this side. Curve line over here. Curve line over here. Just to kind of show a little bit of the change in the kind of porcelain, you know, that kind of area. But that is pretty much it. If you want, you can throw a little bit of a thicker line around Spider-Man's head over here in order to, you know, give it a little bit more attention, right? It'll come forward if you put a bold line, but there you go. I want to thank you for watching. You're amazing. What is the name of this guy? Let me know the name of this guy, and then I'll pin you in the description. Say hi to me in the comment section if you got to this point. Stick around. We're going to go through another drawing lesson right now, so let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.